So it came out late night, met up with the guy Boost Motion. If you guys don't follow him, go ahead, check him out. We're gonna do some runs. Hopefully I get a run with every single car. We're gonna see, You got Winner. Yo, what's your IG? Winner, just Winner?
Winner, yeah, Winner. You see what I'm saying?
I be seeing you on YouTube.
Yeah, that's me, bro, that's me.
Yeah. That's how I knew about the plates. I'm like, as soon as you put up, I seen the plates, I'm like, okay. You got Boost Motions, C63, I think he said JB4, right? JB4?
Yeah, JB4.
I heard these exhausts sound crazy, stock factory. Yeah. Oh, it sounds pretty good though, still. Listen, let me close the door. I'm getting kind of old. That's loud. Yeah. Yo, it's loud, bro. I didn't realize how loud it was. Dope lineup right here. You got F-Type V8 supercharged, C63 twin turbo V8, and X4M S85, S58 twin turbo. And you got this little thing right here. Oh, he hitting it already. May the Lord be with him. All these police on there. That X4M's looking nice in the cut. Yeah, we gonna go after this bend and it straights away. So you could come up here, I guess, and I don't know.
Yeah, let me get right lane.
You said right lane?
Yeah, let me get right lane.
All right, hold up.
Time would have been a good run.
Yeah, that would have been a real good run. Yeah.
Nah. So we basically 1-1.
Yeah.
God damn it! I was trying to get 2 and 2, so I gotta go again. God damn it!
Nah, yo, that shit right there, that shit moves, bro. That shit moves, man.
So wait.
Hey, you ready? Had to let off. Woo! The brakes wasn't hitting as hard as they normally do. We was coming up fast. That X4M must have hit a sweet spot. You seen that X4M was wildin'.
Yep, I gave it 2,000 on that one. My fucking tractor control kicked in again.
Yo, what does he have in that X4M, bro? That's a move.
Yo, son, it's 58.
Yo.
It's 58, bro.
Bro, what is that, stage 1?
58. Yeah, just stage 1, 93. No downpipe.
Yo, son. That S58
Yeah,
is no joke. Right here, and yo, y'all brought out some
And
heat
you know
today.
I know the AMG guys gonna get mad at me, like, yo, Boost, you lost to a 6-cylinder turbo.
No, they be spinning. They spin.
I spin. I think, honestly, I do have a little bit more top end than you.
Yeah,
but
yeah. Oh, no doubt.
But-
Twin turbo V8, you definitely got more of a top end.
Yeah.
This dude right here, yo,
Yeah.
this car, I'm looking at.
Yeah, y'all was going door to door with each other. I'm like,
Nah, cause I'm like this.
Yo, how much was on the top? Because yo, I backed up. I was like, I'm not doing.
I backed up probably. I don't even know. I got to check. Probably
That's like
150.
130.
Yeah, because whenever I hit like that certain margin, I was like, no.
Yo,
I was like,
these shits move, bro. And any one of these cars had downpipes, bro. It'd be over for me, bro. It'd be over, son. I didn't even know you was part of the race, bro, until I see you was in the front.
I saw the lane.
Yo.
I saw the lane. I was like, oh no, lock this up. Nah, man, I respect your M340. I told you, shit. I said, yo, when I saw you hit it, I was like, nah, it's just.
Nah, nothing. I mean, this is the most I would go in the car. It literally got a downpipe in the tune. $300 downpipe
But
and
still,
a tune.
but that's what I'm saying.
Yeah,
That's
good.
No fuel pumps, none of that shit.
Yeah,
Because
good.
yo, not for nothing, that shit starts to add up.
Yeah.
So we did some nice little runs. Technically had the slowest car out here tonight. The Jaguar X-Type put out 500 stock. The X4M put about close to 500 stock, and for the factory, 500 horsepower. And Boost C63 500 as well. This car put out 382 from factory. I went to get some E, and I got body up my sleeve. Shout out to Mike Body, because he out here doing it crazy. M340 with a catalyst downpipe and some E, hung out with the big dogs. $300 and go take a trip to the Shop TT and go to Mike Body, and you can hang with the big boys. Mind you, not for nothing, I'd have probably got killed. If the C63 was running the same, come on, man, make up your mind. You look, now you on the curb. Is it me, or is today just that day? The truck had a stage 193 tune with catted downpipes, the stock downpipes. The C63, he said he did a secondary cat delete, but still the main cat is in it with a JB4, and the X-Type was stock. So I'ma just kick the bean straight up. If that truck was downpipes and spraying E30, even with stock downpipe spraying E30, I would have had nothing for it. At least I don't think so. X4M must have hit a sweet spot.